Alright, here we are back again with another video, and we're going to do something hopefully about the little bit more of the echo that you can hear in the room. If you watched any of our previous videos about putting together the acoustic panels that you see behind me, you can still hear a little bit of an echo, and part of that is I'm facing the camera. We're just using the camera's external microphone at this point, and I'm facing a blank wall on the other side of that. So I had some leftover curtains that we had bought for another window that ended up not fitting, and I thought, well, what if I can use those to create kind of a 3-for-1 thing? So basically I'm putting up a shelf. I'm going to put a closet rod that I had just laying around suspended underneath that shelf and use those curtains suspended from the closet rod. And then not in this video, but in a future video, we're going to suspend some backdrop cloth behind that. And so we can close that curtain to get some sound absorption and diffusion in the room, or open them if we want to use those backdrops for different kinds of videos or even photo shoots. We're going to do it a little bit different and a very abbreviated sort of rundown of how we did this project today. Alright, so there you have it. We have got the curtain closed back there on the wall, and I think you can hear quite a difference in the sound. Go back to the beginning of this video and then listen to this part, and let us know in the comments down below if you think you hear a significant difference in the sound quality of the room. We've done some testing, and certainly there are some areas of the room that still are sore points, and we'll address those in future videos down the road. The next project will be to suspend some drop cloths behind that curtain from the bottom of the shelf that we can use. It'll also provide a little bit of added sound absorption against that hard wall for some of the deeper frequencies. And that should be a fun project. It'll also give us a nice little multi-use area in the studio here. If you like what you saw, you think it's informative, consider subscribing. Definitely give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you liked or didn't like, or what you might have done differently. Always appreciate the feedback, and we'll see you in the next video.